I've been planning this look for weeks, testing individual products, but this is the first time putting it all together. I'm testing for longevity, how it photographs, and most importantly, does it feel like me but elevated? Let's see how this goes. I just am obsessed with a hydrating base. If you're an oily skin girly, hydration. If you are a dry skin girly, hydration. If you are a combo skin girly, hydration. I always recommend hydrating that skin, and these products have never failed my clients. So that is what I'm going to do to myself. For eyes, I want something that's bridal, but still feels like me. So I am using a combination of the Natasha Denona Glam Palette, the Natasha Denona Retro Palette, and the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette Volume 3. For my foundation base, I need something that will last 12 plus hours. So I am going to be going in with the Temp 2 Airbrush Foundation. It's what I use for my clients. It has not failed me since the day I have started using it. So I'm gonna go in with the Temp 2 in with shade 3N.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. No, no. Sometimes I wonder how I managed to get so lost in your eyes. It's like you're made of something pure that I'm not, but I'm so glad you are with me. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning.
Bringing it all together with the Unreal Blush Healthy Glow Stick by Charlotte Tilbury and the Curve Case by Makeup by Mitchell or Made by Mitchell. The lip product that I am going to be testing out is from YSL. It's the Candy Glaze.
Diamond. Your shine's lighter, lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sunlight. You're lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sun. You're lighter than the sunlight. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. No, no. I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. No, no. Sometimes I wonder how I managed to get so lost in your eyes. It's like you're made of something pure that I'm not. But I'm so glad you are with me. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go.
Okay, so here is the final look. I love my makeup. I love it. I feel like it's me. I love it. I love it so much. I will have to adjust just because I am going blonder and blonder. This look might not be exactly what I do, depending on the tone that I stay with for my hair, but overall, I love it. I use the Krylon, yeah, this right here. This is like glue. I feel like my skin is just, so I don't know if I wanna do the waterproof foundation and do this waterproof setting spray. Maybe I will need to add a little bit of a hydrating spray, but I love the way it looks. For photography, I think this will be perfect. I really do think so. And for longevity, I'm going to keep this on for a little bit. I have a few photos I'm gonna do with my kids later on today, so I'm gonna keep that on. I love these lashes. These lashes definitely give bridal. I typically don't wear black eyeliner. I've never really worn black eyeliner. I'm gonna sit on that for a little bit. Maybe the next trial that I do, I will do cream. I don't know. I love it. It feels like me. I love the airbrush foundation because it's seamless. Like, it's seamless. It doesn't feel like I have, you know, anything on. Yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, this is my first full makeup trial for my wedding. I will definitely update you on the longevity of this makeup, and definitely let me know what you think down below in the comments. Should I change anything? Should I add something? Did I miss a step? Is there something that you would do differently? Is there something that I should add to my routine? But yeah, guys, thanks for joining me on this journey, and December 13th is getting closer. Guys, what are we thinking? How does it look?